Cutting out for pipes and installing accessories. Pipes. Measure and find the center of the pipe. Leave a mark. Use a hole saw to cut through the panel. Choose a hole saw that will give you a 1/4-inch gap between pipe or control valve and wall. Always apply sealant on the cut edges. Installing accessories. Pre-drill all holes approximately 5/32" into the panel, not all the way through. All holes should be sealed with Fibo Seal. Accessory is attached on the wall by always using plumbing screws. Niche. Measure the niche. Make cut marks and cut out the hole for the niche. Apply sealant to the cut edges. Also apply sealant to the surface edge to attach the niche. Put the niche in place.